Adding indicators on Webull can help enhance your technical analysis by providing insights into market trends and potential trading opportunities. Here's how to add indicators on the Webull app. Open the Webull app, log in, access Webull through the App Store or Google Play Store, or use the Webull website. Log into your account, access the chart, select a stock, use the search bar to find and select the stock you're interested in. Open chart, tap on the chart tab to view the stock's chart. Add indicators, open indicators menu, tap on the indicators icon located on the chart toolbar. Browse indicators. A menu will appear showing a list of available indicators such as moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, etc. Select indicators. Scroll through the list and tap on the indicators you want to add to your chart. You can customize each indicator's settings by tapping on the indicator and adjusting parameters as needed. Customize indicator settings. Adjust parameters. After selecting an indicator, customize its settings to suit your trading strategy. For example, set the period for a moving average or the overbought/oversold levels for RSI. Save and view. Save changes. Once you've added and configured your indicators, save your settings. View indicators. Your selected indicators will now be displayed on the chart, providing additional insights for your trading decisions.